Good evening, folks. We're back again at 9 p.m. and we are running a mini to close Brandon's Orange Cape Squiddy. I got 18 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random. Looks like top 3 win places in the main. Going to paste them in there, 1 through 18. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. As you know, we got a 5. Popular number tonight. We are good to go. Good luck, guys. Carlos, Chris, and Carlos, round 1. Carlos, round 2. Chris, Carlos, and Andrew, round 3. Chris and Carlos, round 4. And our winners are Carlos and Christopher. Congratulations, fellas. Here's the official results for you. MUOPTA. Carlos and Chris are our victors for this mini, which means I'm done at 9:01. There you have it. Again, here's the official results and the winners. Congrats, guys. See you next time. Thanks.